I'm ready now. Okay, so I'm going to try to use snipping here. I type snipping. Okay, so I am going to try to show how to create a worksheet from part of worksheets that we can find perhaps on the internet. With this one, uh, for example, if I want only part of it, I can copy part of it using snipping tool. File, new, snip, and the parts that we want to copy, we can copy that part. Alright, so once we have that, we go to edit and copy, and then we take it to Microsoft Word. I was experimenting with this earlier. Oh, sorry, I want that. Okay, let me start again. So if I give it a heading, the art of changing bugs, and then I can paste what I copied from snipping earlier. Oh, alright, maybe I need to edit this one a bit, so I can always use the crop tool a bit. If I want to move it about to wherever I want to take it, I can always use the position and square, and then once you do that, you have better control to take it where you want to take it. Oh, I spoke too quick. What happened? Okay, I undo it, move it. Alright. Alright, and maybe now I want to say write something about changing bugs. Oh, I can give it a place where they can enter. And then next I could type, alright, changing bugs from the internet. Alright, so let's put some picture from the internet. We are writing a story about the changing bugs. Alright, which one? That's not a bug. That's a nice bug. Right, let's use that one. That looks like definitely the coronavirus bug. Okay, Control V. So we copied it. Yeah, I can do it again to show you. Right click, copy image, and we can come here, right click, and paste image. Right, I don't want everything, I want part of it, so I can crop it. Which one do we want? I think the one in the, oh, right, maybe all of them. We want all of them. And then maybe I could say something here. Something nice. Then I can go and get from the worksheets. Oh, okay, so let's see. I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. Yeah, definitely I want this one. So the one I want to use, I can click on the snipping tool, and what do I want? A new snipping. Yeah, and a new snipping, and we take a photograph of that, and then edit, copy, Control V. if I put it here and give it a okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it. Okay. You have to have enough space. You can't just put it wherever you want, you know. There are some limitations. Alright, yes. Okay, so we can have that. So that's a simple way of recreating a worksheet. See if it works.